Hi everyone, good day. My name is Joseph Enning, and in week one of our discussion about organization behavior theory. First of all, organization behavior focus is to understand how individual and group of people behave within the context of an organization. And when we say theory is a set of logical and consistent idea and general principle that can be used to explain phenomena around us. Somebody will say, is theory something regular or anything? No, I mean theory is something that has been consistent, used, and it has been accepted by a lot of people or a large community. That's why we have a lot of theories around us. So if something is proven to be working based on use for multiple of times, then it can be accepted. So that is theory. But is theory a fact? I mean, I cannot say it's a fact, but if it's proven that it works and a lot of people understand, that means I can say it's a channel for us to interpret some facts and things that we accept in society in general. To when we read the article of a brief review of system theories and their managerial application, it explains system as an entity which is a coherent whole such that a boundaries is perceived around us. It is ordered to distinguish internal or external elements. So in that article, it basically explains system as being an entity which is a coherent whole such that a boundary perceived around it in order to distinguish something internal or external. And the same article explains system theory says that it's an interdisciplinary study of system which can be a group, nature, society, using holistic approach to investigate a phenomenon as a whole. Um, and then when you read the article of chaos theory and strategy, the theory application and managerial implication, that article also defines chaos as the study of complex, linear, and dynamic system. So basically, chaos theory is often expressed in a mathematical equation. So one thing that I understood from that article that it's chaos theory creates a set of deterministic relationships and can produce a pattern, yet it's unpredictable outcome. It always gives unpredictable outcome. So that is something that I think about. Is something that can create a pattern, but yet the outcome is unpredictable. Um, yeah. So at this point, I will just dive into personality, perception, and perception biases. So when we say personality, what it is, I learned that personality is like its characteristics, a trait, behavior, a pattern of thought that defines individual and a distinguished individual from others. So what is my personality? Who am I? So what I do and the way I do my things, that is going to differentiate me from X number of people. And when you say perception is how people or we interpret information to understand someone or our environment. And perception can always be influenced by a lot of things like my past experience, what I've went through, of what I've heard. And those are things that help me form perception about somebody. Because if I heard or I see somebody, probably the second or first time I see the person doing that. But based on my past experience of things that I've witnessed, I can form a perception about that person. And that also led me to perception biases. That is it's a systematic error in how we perceive others or our environment. So if you see me first time, probably arguing with somebody, and based on your perception about me, you can look at me and say that, okay, this person is that or this person is that. So basically, this also sum up of the first week things that I've learned read throughout this class, and I've put some notes down. Thank you.